Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to track flights in real time using Google Maps. If you want to follow a plane live without downloading extra apps, Google Maps can do it. First, open your Google Maps and then in the search bar type the flight number exactly as shown on your ticket. For example, AA100 or EK215 or something like that, and Google Maps will instantly show the flight status, departure and arrival time, and even live location of the plane if it's in the air. You can tap it to see the full route of the map and track in real time. Safety tip: only search flights you know. Avoid entertaining random numbers from unknown website, and scammers sometimes post fake flights info. Quick fix: if it does not work, update Google Maps in the App Store, Play Store, App Store, then try searching again. Real time tracking is available only on the latest version. I hope this video helped you guys on how to track real flights in Google Maps. If you did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.